Guys, welcome or welcome back to the channel. All right, so today I'm just gonna open the advent calendar. I'm like 2 days behind, you guys, but the struggle has been real. Joel is over there 3. I'm 3 days behind, so I'm just gonna open today's while I chit chat about some of the things that we brought from the US with us on our travels to the last 59 countries, and some things that I think you should take with you if you're gonna, move for a little bit, move for a long time. And like when we're staying where we're gonna be staying, once we run out of things and my family's coming to visit because my sister wants to come next year, we'll see, I'm gonna just let them keep bringing stuff so I can stock up, because when they run out, it's a problem. But I'm not trying to bring a whole year's worth of certain things. But yeah, I'm like, what happened to my thing here? Okay, I don't know where it went, you guys. All right, so let me start with the cheese calendar since so day 19, and I'm so last minute. I'm just filming this video to put up in like an hour, you guys. The struggle is so real, but I'm trying to get Vlogmas going. All right, so this one is mustard Gouda. Got this before, it was nice, I liked it. Let me see, mustard Gouda, yeah. So I know what this tastes like, so I don't have to taste it. I'll probably just open the wine and I'll drink and talk to you. So 19, hold on. Ooh, trying to bend is not working for me, you guys. Okay, so the wine for today is a white blend from Hungary. So yeah, let's start drinking. So what is one of the things? Okay, so first of all, when we went to Mexico, that was the first place we lived. First place we lived in for 6 months. Bed sheets. I wish we had packed bed sheets, because the sheets were not sheeting. The sheets weren't doing it, you guys. They were just weird, thin. They felt. I'm not like a fancy sheet person or anything, but those sheets weren't doing it. And a lot of different countries we went to, the sheets just weren't doing it either. So pack your bed sheets. Not like that, but if you're going to be staying somewhere for a while, it's I think if you're used to a certain kind of sheet or fabric or feel, it's better to just bring your own. It's not like if you're fast traveling. If you're fast traveling like we were, then it doesn't really help, because it's going to take up too much space in your suitcase. But if you're moving for a while, then I think you can take it. And if you're there for a year or whatever and you need to leave to somewhere else, you can leave the sheets, because it is what it is. Ooh, I like this. Ooh, this is really good. Okay, so we're gonna be drinking this. And since we're in that family, towels, bath towels, bring your bath towels. In Japan, we went to Daiso, so it's probably can't even judge from that because it was cheap towels. But no, okay, no. And I'm not gonna spend too much on towels either. So probably if I went to like IKEA or Zara Home or something, I would have gotten better quality, but then I'm going to be spending a ton of money, right? Whereas you can buy towels in Walmart, Ross, Burlington, and you can get really, really good quality towels in Burlington and Ross for super inexpensive, far less than you'd pay in most other countries. So bath towels, bed sheets, definitely bring those. And something else, oh yeah, since I have a couple things here I was going to show you. Sunscreen. I just have this one, but sunscreen, yes, you can find them in pretty much anywhere you go, but the price super expensive. So if you want to save money, just bring a bottle, whether it's spray or lotion. Definitely bring your own bottle of sunscreen. It's going to save you so much money. And then of course, black women, your hair care products. Even if you're not black, if you use certain things for your hair, you have thick hair or whatever, bring your own. So yeah, it was a struggle when we didn't come home for a year on one of those legs. It was a struggle trying to find stuff for my hair and for the kids' hair. Like, we were just dry as the Sahara Desert. My hair was not having it. So definitely bring your own moisturizer. If one of the things, if you want to pack your bags with, is hair care products. And I remember when we were in Turkey, my friend that came to visit, if you were following us back then, and she just stocked up on a bunch of stuff for me. I'm like, Sharon, bring this, bring that. Like, she brought everything. Hair care products was one of the things that she bought. Yeah, like leave-in conditioners. You're not gonna find that. You're not gonna find those. And a good moisturizer, whatever lotion you use, bring it. Because especially like in Asian countries, a lot of the lotions, regular that you'd know, cocoa butter or whatever type skincare, most of them have whitening. So you have to really look. And I think there was like $7 for about a lotion I saw once. I'm not buying about a lotion for $7, you guys. So bring your lotion. Like, just go into Walmart, it don't matter. Especially if you use something fancy and, you know, different, you're not going to find it there. And if you do find it, it's going to be super expensive. So when we're saying, oh, a lot of countries are cheaper than the US, for certain things, if you are stuck on particular products, bring them, because to find them is going to be a pain. And then the price is not going to be it. Okay. And then next thing, what was I looking at? I wrote them down because I'm old, you guys. I don't remember. Toothpaste. Yes, toothpaste is everywhere. But I remember we're trying to buy the Crest that I normally use, and it was like $7 or something. And buying toothpaste for me personally as a couponer, that in Vegas I had like at least 100 tubes of toothpaste because couponers were crazy. I could not see paying more than $2 for a toothpaste. Even here, for the Crest that I use, I'm not paying $2 for a toothpaste. It's just been instilled in me because I coupon, so I always have a lot. And I showed you how I got them for free plus got money back at Publix the other day. So that's what I do. I just buy them like that and buy a lot, and then I'm good for a while, and then I do it again because there's always a sale, always a coupon. You can get toothpaste, Sensodyne, Crest, Colgate. You can get those 50 cents tops. 50 cents tops for, you know, the good. So to pay $7 in another country, that's just not gonna happen. And then to get the cheaper ones, it's like iffy. I'm like, eh. But I noticed if you read the back of some of them, like we were looking at one, we were desperate at that time. Like I said, we didn't come back for a year. And one of them, if you look, we looked at the back and it said made by Colgate. So it has a different name in a different country, but it's still made by, you know, the same brands that you know. So, but if you use certain toothpaste, bring it, because it's going to be really, really expensive. I'm bringing a ton of toothpaste, you guys, because I'm not buying toothpaste. Like certain things, even toilet paper. When I started buying toilet paper and paper towel, it hurt me so bad. Like my heart hurt. My heart hurt because those are things that as a couponer, I had shelves, stacks and stacks and stacks of laundry detergent, paper towel, toilet paper. I never had to buy those. I never had to pay money for those. Like I normally get them free with coupon, or at least a little bit of money, $1 the most for toilet paper and stuff. So yeah, even those toilet paper, paper towel, if they could hold, I'd bring them, especially paper towel, because you don't get, you guys, I sat here and I spoke for 10 minutes. 10 minutes and it wasn't recording. I didn't even see that the red thing wasn't up there. I was going on and on, you guys. Lord. So I was talking about deodorants. Bring deodorant. The stick deodorant. I could not find stick deodorant in Asia or Latin America. All they had was the roll-ons. They do nothing. Like the roll-on might as well just go stinky everywhere you're going. If you don't want to stink, bring your own deodorant. And these come in the 2-pack at Walmart for $3.97. This is one of the cheaper ones that works wonders for me. I'm not a stinky person or anything, but when that sun and that humidity hits, this works amazingly for $3, so $1.50 each. You're not gonna find this in most other countries for $1.50. I can tell you that. It's gonna be way more expensive if you find it. The roll-ons are not gonna cut it. Bring your stick deodorant. And I was saying, I've been seeing those all over body deodorants being advertised. I don't know if you've used them. If you've tried it and it works, let me know, because sometimes you're walking and that humidity and that sun is just out there, man. So you know, you're sweating everywhere. So I want to try one of those. I think Suave has it, but they're expensive. But I want to, you know, bring it with me because I'm not going to find it anywhere else. It's probably just in the US for right now because they're pretty, I think they're new. I just heard about them. I don't know. Probably not new, but definitely bring your stick deodorant because the struggle is real out here, okay? I'm just looking at my thing, what I wrote down, trying to remember everything. So if you're tall, you know, you're big and tall, that big and tall section in in the stores. If you're a little bit fluffy, bring clothes and bring shoes. Some places, if you go out of the West, you're not gonna find clothes to fit you. Yeah, well, it's getting better now, but it's funny because in one of those countries, I forgot which city we're in, they literally have stores that say fat girl, fluffy, big girl, you know. They're not being mean or anything like that, but that's literally just what they call it. And they have stores that you can probably find some cute stuff, but just bring, if you're looking for quality clothes and you know you already have your stuff, just buy a bunch of things and just take it, because it's gonna be harder to find clothes that fit. And especially shoes, it's going to be really hard to find shoes. A lot of countries, like even Jamaica, you can just go up to a shoemaker and he makes a shoe custom for you and everything, and it's not expensive. So if you're going to somewhere like that, you know, that could work too, and you get some new stuff and it's custom to how you like it. But other than that, sneakers, you know, tennis shoes, bring them because the struggle is real in these streets. All right, the next thing, mosquito repellent. A lot of countries, they'll have their version of mosquito repellent, and they'll have some US version like the Off, and this other one I forgot, I bought that one too. But I noticed they don't work. Like in Peru, we bought mosquito repellent and them things were coming, okay? I'm like, didn't I spray myself and I'm still getting bitten? It doesn't matter. Like the only ones that work are the ones with, I know, bad, but the DEET and stuff that I get from the US. A lot of the other ones don't work. In Thailand, they do have, I forgot what that one is named. It's in a little pink bottle and a green bottle. The green bottle doesn't work that well. I think it's the pink bottle that does the trick. But I will bring my deodorant. See, I'm still stuck in deodorant. I'll bring my mosquito repellent. If I run out in certain countries, I'll try. No, I'm gonna bring enough. Because if you find American brand, it's gonna be so expensive. And then the others, just them mosquitoes are like, nah, bruh. And then the next thing, baby powder. If you use baby powder at all, like in your shoe, because it's all stinky, or you just want it to be dry and absorb moisture, and baby powder is really great for the beach, to get the sand off your feet, stuff like that. The only place that has the talc free, since it's newer, and after that lawsuit and all that, a mess, I'm not even gonna go into that, but I use baby powder sometimes. The only talc free is in the US. They're still sending the talc ones everywhere else in the world, like literally. So if you use baby powder, you're not gonna find talc free anywhere else. The cornstarch one, that's in the US. So just bring a bottle with you if you need to. I think, oh, ladies, for you, tampons. If you use tampons, bring it. Europe, Asia, South America, Central America, you're not gonna find them. If you find them, it's weird, it's different. Not weird, it's different, it's expensive, it's $2 to a pack or something. Or just bring a cup, easy. Yeah, so that's something definitely put in your bag, because you're gonna struggle to find that. I was just looking, I don't, you know, whatever, but definitely bring some. Use some from the US. Let me see what else I wrote down. I wrote everything so that I could remember, and I'm gonna go back and I'm like, oh, I didn't remember to tell you that. But I think that's it. There's like more things, but I was just jotting down a couple of things that I could remember easily. That's pretty much what I think you definitely need. The bed sheets if you're going to stay somewhere long term. Just bring your sheets. A good night's rest is like, oof. Okay. Let me see. Let me open 6707. Okay, so let's open this. I'm not going to drink it because I'm drinking the wine and I'm not trying to do all that right now. This one is just the original, so nothing fancy. If it was something, one of the flavors, I'd probably try it right now, but it's just original, so that's fine. And then my chocolate. Let's see which chocolate it is today. And like I said, I'm not even opening the others. So we have the 19th. There is a 19th for the chocolate. Okay, 19. Let's see what chocolate is in the 19. Oh, just this one, the hazelnut. No, was it? Yeah, hazelnut. That I thought something was in. Yeah, milk chocolate with hazelnut praline. So, all right, you guys. I think that's it. We're just getting ready to go. Still have, you know, a little ways to go till January, something. But I will try to, as we pack. I haven't been out of the house in a while. I know I've just been a homebody. But like I said, I'm just trying to make sure I don't go outside, slip, fall, and then restart my recovery. I'm trying to make sure I do every single thing my doctor says so I'm not behind and I have to stay longer. So I'm going to start doing some shopping. So I'll probably show you some of what we're shopping for, what we're bringing to keep. Like I got last year, Black Friday. No, not this. Black Friday. I got Ninja. No, it's not Ninja. The next one, NutriBullet, the single blender. I'm bringing one of those. Most of the Airbnbs and stuff that I've stayed at, they have like the big blender, but those are just so easy to use. I wanted to bring a coffee machine. I know. I mean, when they're on sale for Black Friday, they're cheaper than what you'd find most other places. But no, I just bought that AirPress. I'm gonna take that and then just, you know, go to coffee shops, things like that easily. And then what else am I taking? I have a pack of my favorite paper towels, so I'll probably take that. I'm gonna bring one suitcase of just stuff that we're gonna need for the house, for wherever we rent. So I'm gonna bring just household things because we do get one bag each free for me and Jarrell, so that's 2 bags already. So might as well, if I already have the thing. And that's what a lot of people are like, oh, don't bring this, don't bring that, you can just buy it in your new country. Okay, but if I have the things already and I have the bag, I'm not paying for a bag, why not just bring it instead of buying it in my new country, spending more money? I already have it, it's gonna sit here. Like I literally have things in my storage that I need to figure out how to get to wherever I'm going because I could be using them instead of they're sitting in storage, but ooh, I'm just gonna buy it in my new country. So certain things, I already have it, I'm gonna bring them. So I'll let you know what we're planning, what we're packing in. Yeah, I think that's it. Talk too much. All right, you guys, I will see you in the next video and happy travels. So excited. Let me know what you're up to, where you're going, and if there's anything that you wish you brought from the US to your new country. Bye.